You can now designate playlists as courses on YouTube. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on that bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. When you're in the Creator Studio and channel content, you may now notice at the top there is now an option for courses. You can either upload a series of videos to designate as a course, or you can take a pre-existing playlist and now label it as a course. YouTube is developing features to allow creators to monetize content directly through courses, with creators keeping a majority of the revenue from sales. A digital course can increase the value associated with a creator's brand name. So, if you already have some playlists that were structured to be together and educational, you may want to make it considered a course by clicking on it and switching that playlist to be considered a course. If you need one-to-one training to make this happen or want help with your video marketing, let's get started by scheduling a complimentary strategy session.